Hello friends, I'm Vishal and I welcome you on my YouTube channel Avatar Creations. So today in this video we will learn how to make a very realistic deer head model by using paper scrap, paper tape, fevicol, plaster of Paris and many more things. So before starting this video I request you all to please subscribe my channel and share my videos too. So first of all we will take a paper sheet and draw the geometric shape on it. It's basically a deer face geometric shape. So we have cut it and fold it as shown in this video. Now we will join the shapes. So it's the fully face structure of deer head model. Now we need to just fold it and your deer face is ready. So this is the hollow deer face. It's made of paper. Now we will use old newspapers to fill it for its strength, for its base. Now we will cover it by using paper sheets. And here I am using paper tape and a cello tape to fix it. For excess paper you may cut it or you can fix it on the same structure as I am doing. I'm cutting the excess paper and very easily will fold it and fix it. So now it's going to be ready. As you can see that it's looking like only the basic base model. Now next job is to make the deer neck. The same technique we will use. We will take the paper sheets, cut it in the geometric shapes and fix it on the structure. It should be conical, the deer face and the neck also. Now here I am using the silver foil for its detailing, because silver foil is very easy to craft, very easy to mold in the desired shapes as you want it. Now here I am making the detailings of deer eyes. You can see that I have made the ears, eyes and the head structure of the deer head model. But many more things we need to do to make it more attractive. Some of the things we are doing here by silver foil. You can use cello tape or paper tape, whatever you want to do for its detailing. Here I am using cello, silver, both. So now it's almost completed. Now we will cover it by using paper tape. As you can see, in the spheric form I am using the tape. You need to cover the whole area. Now we will take some old newspaper pieces and fevicol and water paste. Now we will apply both on this whole model. Be careful. And you need to cover all this area by using newspaper. I prefer flat brushes here because it's very easy to use. So now it's ready. It will take almost 2 to 3 hours to be dried. Now I will apply POP paste, POP and water paste on this model for its detailing and for its strength also. POP will make it harder after getting dried. So here you can see it is dried and it's looking very good. After that I have applied here the terracotta paint on it for the strength of POP. So now here our deer head model is. Remember, all the parts is made by using water plus fevicol plus paper tapes, all these things. So now we will start to paint it. Here we will use black, brown and white for detailings. I am using acrylic paint. Do not use any kind of oil paints here because it will take too much time to be dried. We can't wait that much. For deer head I am using here white color for its detailing to make it more attractive, more realistic. All the three steps are very important here. First, the geometric shape, second one is silver foil, and third one is POP. So now you can see that it has been painted. Now basically it's a wall hanging model, so we will fix it on a circular plywood sheet. So here you can see that I have hung it on the wall and it's looking very attractive, very beautiful and very realistic. If you want to make the models of tiger head, jaguar, anything that you will like, so you can use the artificial hairs for it. So I hope that you like the video and enjoy this video.